So I'm going to be honest with you. I have no idea how to pronounce the brand name of these headphones. It's spelled Mixcder. Mixcoder. At any rate, Mixcder sent me these headphones a couple months ago to try out. I've been using them every day since they sent them to me, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. So the things I'm going to talk about in this video is overall comfort level, how well the noise cancellation works, the sound quality, and the Bluetooth functions. I do want to start out by saying that I've reviewed probably 20 or 30 headphones, and while these are not the best headphones I've ever used, these are definitely some of the best headphones that I've ever reviewed and that I currently own. So I've actually been really quite pleased with these. Out of the box, this actually comes with a really nice case. It comes with a charging cable, comes with an audio cable, and an airplane adapter. So talking about comfort real quick, the band is adjustable and labeled so you can go back easily and set the best size for you. The padding is actually quite thick and soft. One thing of note, the padding around the ear is not super deep. So if you have largest ears like mine, your ear is going to likely press up against the headphones. I'd almost say these headphones are kind of like hybrid over the ear, on ear. They're definitely more over the ear, but my ear is pressing up against the inside just very slightly, almost like they were on ear. So I will say that because my ears are just slightly pressing, after about the 4-hour mark, I start to notice that it is getting slightly uncomfortable, and I do need to take about a 10-minute break. And by me wearing these, you can definitely tell that these are super fashionable. I'm probably going to be a headphones model in the future because I just look so good in these, and I could definitely quit my day job and make millions as a headphone model. It's my new dream job. Okay, so let's talk about noise cancellation for a bit. So this is active noise cancellation, and it does work quite well. Kind of developed a test for noise cancellation. I've been able to compare these with some really nice Bose headphones that have noise cancellation, and also I have a fan that is quiet enough that if I turn it on and I'm using the Bose headphones, I can't hear the fan at all. So I kind of use that as my control, and I compared that against these headphones. Now I will say that when I was wearing these, turned on the noise cancellation, I still could hear the fan. So obviously, these don't work as well as the Bose headphones for noise cancellation. They also don't cost nearly as much, so that's kind of to be expected. This seems to do a good job at getting rid of the really lower sounds. So like on an airplane, you've got the low rumble. Yeah, I guess that's what an airplane sounds like, maybe. So noise cancellation, good. Still room for improvement though. Okay, sound quality. Again, since I have access to Bose, which are really nice, expensive headphones, I decided to test and compare these to the Bose headphones. What I will say is I noticed that these had a bit better bass and mid-range, but also, and I don't know exactly how to word this, the Bose sounded a bit more full. So I do think the audio quality is good, but you know, again, if you're comparing it to $300 headphones, it's not going to be that good. If you like heavy bass, these are a great option because these did have a bit heavier bass than the Bose. So lastly, I do want to talk about the Bluetooth buttons on this. Like I've mentioned, I reviewed a bunch of Bluetooth headphones, and for some reason, everyone thinks that they should do different functionality with Bluetooth buttons, and it's really dumb, and everyone does dumb things. But Mixcder, they did it right. Good job. The plus button is the next track or volume up. The minus button is previous track or volume down. Single press is for volume. Press and hold is for next track or previous track. That is the way Bluetooth button should be. Overall, like I mentioned before, these are some of the best headphones that I have. I do really like these. I've been using them every day for 2 months. I'm going to continue to use these. These are my new headphones of choice. I did mention that I've compared these to the Bose, and they're certainly not at that caliber, but they're also not at that price. I think the value you get for these is really quite impressive. One big advantage that this has over the Bose is the Bose headphones that I was testing out. They are not even Bluetooth. All they are is noise cancellation. I really like that these are Bluetooth, so I can use it wirelessly. That helps. So I think if you're looking for budget headphones that are all around pretty great, this fits the bill. I will post a link below so you can check it out for yourself on Amazon. Thanks. Peace out.